it's Dr. Heather here, your virtual sports chiropractor, and I have now created a 10-part series for you guys in which we do 10 minutes of work. And I'm talking about hardcore work. That's core work, that's balance work, that's lower body work, that's upper body work. So join me in this 10-part series where we look at 10 minutes of high intensity work, and it begins now. So grab your mat because we've got some abs to do right now, and it begins now. So we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna lay on our back, and we're gonna start with some basic crunches to warm ourselves up and get ourselves going. So we're gonna start with 40 basic crunches. So come down onto your mat, hands behind the head, and we're gonna focus going up towards the ceiling, and here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 20 to go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now you should be feeling that burn right in that midsection. Now bring the legs to 90. You can cross the legs like I do, and we have 30 crunches to do. Same concept. Bring that head and shoulders up towards the ceiling. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 10 to go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good. Now, if the abs are starting to tighten up, you can give yourself a quick stretch by putting the legs out, straightening the arms overhead. Last one we're going to do, bring the legs up as straight as possible, and you're going to go ahead and give me 20 crunches in this position. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come down. All right, so now what we're going to do is we're going to switch gears a little bit. We're going to hit some lower abs. You're going to place both legs straight up into the sky and place the hands underneath the small of the back if you choose. We're going to drop one leg down 20 times. Flex the opposite foot, just like you see me doing right now. Your legs don't have to be perfectly straight. It's totally fine. Just make sure you're not arching your back or feeling your low back engaged in this position. You still have 10 more on this side. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now we're going to switch to the other leg. So put both legs back up. Now the right leg drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. So now what we're going to do is we're going to drop both legs together. So keep those legs up. Here we go. Drop them down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good. Again, if you need a quick stretch, take that stretch. Next, we're going to go right into a jackknife position. So hands are going to come kind of more to the side of your body. We're going to start with our knees bent just like so. And from here, we're going to go ahead and we're going to drive the knees in and bring the body out. okay? So that's what we're gonna do next. So you're gonna give me 20 of those. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Perfect. Now from here, we're gonna do a little Russian twist. Go ahead, plant the feet a little wider, bend the knees, dig the heels into the floor. From here, take your hands, stick that chest out, and we're gonna go do a little side to side action. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Perfect. Now, if your hips are starting to tighten up, don't worry, because now we're gonna flip it over and we're gonna go to a plank. So now, we're gonna come in and we're gonna do a 30-second plank on our forearms. Come on down, and here we go. Hold that plank for 30 seconds. We're just gonna chill out in this position. Make sure your butt's nice and dropped. Squeeze the butt, keeping it nice and strong for you. And just hold. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna switch to the side plank position. So in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now we're gonna switch to a side plank. Now, we're gonna do side plank plus side hip drops, okay? So, get onto your arm. Make sure your arm is underneath you at a 90-degree angle. If you have to have the feet splayed like so, totally fine. If you can't have them stacked, you don't have to, but you can have the arms, the legs here, and you could also have a hand here if you need to in the beginning. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna come up into our side plank position. We're gonna hold this position for 30 seconds. And we're just gonna hang out here, and we're doing great so far. Just keep it going. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna be dropping our hips down to the floor in a hip drop position in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So now bring the hip down. Now we're gonna drive up and down 20 times. So here we go, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now, we gotta go ahead and we gotta switch sides. Now, if you're starting to sweat a little bit, great. If you need a sip of water, take it real quick, but we gotta go right into the other side. So come down, make sure your arm is underneath you. Again, depending on what you want, legs can either be stacked or splayed. That's up to you. Get those feet underneath you, come up, hand on hip, hold for 30 seconds. And just hang out here for a 30-second period. And then again, we still have those hip drops on this side, because we gotta be nice and even. So in 15 seconds to go, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop the hips up and down, up and down. Come on, you got this. Come on, up and down, up and down. Let's go, come on, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good. Now we're gonna go back to our plank position and we're gonna do 20 pike planks. And that's where we're gonna push our hips up to the sky and draw back down. Some of us are gonna have a little bit more flexibility than others. Totally fine. Come on down onto the forearms. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. There you have it, 10 minutes of abs.